Hey guys, please make sure to stand till the end. We'll share some very helpful advice that if you don't follow you may end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick helpful video to any of you having a BMW with N20 engine. If you want to know what are the symptoms of bad thermostat, guys, okay, what will happen if you drive with bad thermostat? Your BMW N20 engine has been used on many BMWs, anything from 1 to 5 series, anything from X1 to X5. Now, thermostat is super important. When replacing it, you should follow certain procedures. If you don't, you will destroy your engine. It will cost you thousands of dollars to fix it, guys. So in today's video, we'll share common mistakes people make as well and the symptoms of bad thermostat. We provide other information absolutely free. All we need, guys, in return for that free video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. So let's start on it now. Guys, you wonder about the symptoms of bad thermostat on your BMW engine. Thermostat is super important component of your BMW. Those newer engines, they work with direct fuel injection. They work quite hotter as well. Okay, they open at hotter temperatures than they used to as well, because they're high compression engines as well. Now, guys, the thermostat, this is the old one right here, original BMW thermostat. Okay, and this is new replacement one. Never go with cheap thermostats. We usually go with original. Or, you see, this is the Machle Bear, but watch the original one, you can get it for half of the price. It's the same Bear as well, even though it's Becker, but it's the same original BMW thermostat that was made. Okay, if you see right here, it will be 2012. It will be the code on it. So that's original thermostat, but you can get it for half the price. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Thermostat has, guys, okay, a sensor here. Okay, that open closes, magnetic sensor and a spring as well, and when it reaches certain operating temperature, it will open, it will allow cold coolant from the radiator to go in the engine and cool your engine through the water pump. Well, now, guys, if thermostat is stuck, okay, is malfunctioning, what can cause now, it can fail in two different ways. One is stuck open, which is the more common one, and you hope that happens to your car. If it fails, stuck open will circulate the coolant through the radiator and the engine constantly, which will cause your engine to run cooler, not so efficient. You will get poor mileage. Your heater may not work on super cold winter days, especially if you're going downhill as well. You may even get check engine light on, thermostat below operating temperature, coolant below operating temperature code. You may get in limp mode as well until you clear the code, and then you drive for a while and it comes back again. But why that's the lucky situation? Because that will not cause so much damage to your engine, but you need to fix it as soon as you can. If it gets stuck close, and if it's stuck open, it can just get stuck close or accident too. Guys, the coolant will stay only in the engine. You do not go to the radiator. As a result, the car can severely overheat in a few seconds and minutes depending on the load of the engine. If that happens, you can damage your head gasket, you can damage cylinder head, engine block, you can destroy your engine. So, thermostat that fails, okay, closed, will destroy your engine if you keep driving it. So, if you notice that the temperature is going up, you have overheating, message, warning, pull over at a safe place, fix it as soon as you can. Now, if you want to see how to replace thermostat, we have the videos on the channel. Always check the thermostat fuses as well. There will be thermostat fuses on these BMWs. We'll have many videos on the channel about that. Well, after you replace it, use good quality thermostat only, because your car depends on that. Use original or coolant that's approved for your BMW. We will share the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Next, guys, you need to do one more thing, what we're talking about. You need to bleed the cooling system. You cannot just replace the thermostat, put coolant and start driving. That will overheat your engine. You will have air pockets in these engines. They're quite complicated cooling systems. You need to bleed the cooling system. We will have the videos on the channel how to bleed cooling system on BMW different models, including F10, F11, X3, X4, 3 series, 5 series, multiple BMWs, guys. Always bleed the cooling system. Check the video how to bleed cooling system on BMW, because that's one of the most common mistakes we see at the garage. And when replacing thermostat, make sure, guys, you don't drop any coolant in the intake hose, because, okay, if you do and you start the car, okay, we left some there to show you. It's going to suck through the turbo, go in the intake, and it can, guys, even hydrolock your engine, okay, which is another thing that will destroy your engine. But Be careful, it's easy job if you just avoid some common mistakes on your BMW. Guys, the thermostat, you put it together, bleed the cooling system, stuff like that, okay? Avoid common mistakes, pretty simple job. Now, guys, on BMWs we have a lot of videos that will teach you how to fix almost anything, guys. Okay, we have probably 3,000 to 4,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that. Sometimes it's recommended to replace the water pump with the thermostat on these engines as well, because it's an electric water pump, and if it fails, the car overheats as well. Next, okay, if you're doing that work, change the engine oil cooler gasket as well, because you'll be the coolant will be drained, so that's the time to replace it. Otherwise you have to drain the coolant later again, bleed the cooling system, and it gets complicated. We'll have videos about that on our channels as well. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos on cars on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Thank you for watching, see you next time.